Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is serenity. It's time to be in a place of peace. Balance that mind, body, and spirit where you're not feeling like a whirlwind or tornado. I need you to be a calm breeze to go with the flow. A lot of things are happening. When transition happens, it seems that it's going to be a rough transition. A lot of things happen to you. A lot of thoughts, doubt, resentment, anger was going to try to stifle or stop you from moving forward. But I want you to continue to move forward one step at a time. Continue to move forward in peace, because when you get this card, it means you've already won. It's time to sit back, relax, go with the flow, and let Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ do their part, because you've done everything that you can to do your part. So let them catch up to you so they can manifest your efforts and then propel you to the next level. Through love, there's no stronger weapon in the world other than love. Release, leaving space for more positivity and blessings to come your way by releasing all the negative, and inner work, because you can't take the old you into the new blessings and the new place of manifestation that you're going. You've outgrown so many things, hobbies, people, experiences, and now you know peace because of your growth. I have a gentle view of life and welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. You look in an eye, I guarantee you'll turn around and it will run away. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work and propel you to the next life and the next blessing into your next season. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.